Hi, good morning students. Today we move on to the topic that is large numbers in standard form. See, a number is expressed as a decimal number between 1.0 and 10.0, that including 1.0, multiplied by a power 10. See, let me considering that one example that I considering 24,000. So how can we write this one? See, let me considering that jumps to the left. Here 0, 1 jump. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 jumps. That decimal point it would become 2.4. How many jumps? 4 jumps is there. That gives 10 to the power 4. So that will become 2.4 into 10 to the power 4. Similarly, I can considering one more problem, that is 1 2 double 0 triple 0. So for this, considering the decimal point, after this 12 double 0 triple 0, after you put dot decimal point. So how many jumps you have if you are jumping for the left side? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 jumps you have. So that will becomes 1.2 into 10 to the power 6. So next, small numbers in standard form. A number expressed as a decimal number between 1.0 and 10.0, that including 1.0, multiplied by a negative power of 10. So here the tip I given you that move right by n jumps. For add minus n to existing exponent of 10. See, I given 0.5 zeros to 1. So here after the decimal point you should jump to the right. See, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. See, that will become 2.1. That 2.1 which lies between 1.0 to 10.0. So here 2.1 into 10 power minus 6. You have 6 jumps. So and this is after the decimal point. So that would become minus 6. That I can write it as 2.1 into 10 power minus 6. Here n is equal to 6. Because we are considering n jumps. So for that here n is equal to 6. So let me considering one more, that is 0.000000564. So here again we count to the right after the decimal point. See how many zeros? 6 zeros is there. So how many jumps will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps will come. So if I jump 7, that would be 5.6 into 64 into 10 to the power minus 4. Here 5.64, that would be lies between 1.0 to 10.0. So similarly, how can we write that mass of the earth? See, mass of the earth is 5972. You will get 21 zeros kg. So how can we write this one? So we should count the jumps for the left. Starts from 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So 5.972 into 10 power 24 kg. So that 5.972 which is lies between 1.0 to 10.0. So for that I can write it as 5.972 into 10 power 24 kg. So similarly, size of a plant cell. So that would be 0.000125 meter. So how can we write this one? So after the decimal point you should jump for the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 jumps. So this is after the decimal point. For that I can write it as 1.275 into 10 power minus 5 m. So similarly, comparing very large and very small numbers. See, size of the earth versus size of the plant cell. The diameter of the earth is 1.2756 into 10 power 7 m. This is the diameter of the earth, and the diameter of the plant cell is 1.275 into 10 power minus 5 m. So that will considering as dp. So for the d divided by dp, that gives 1.2756 into 10 power 7 divided by 1.275 into 10 power minus 5. So here that 1.2756 and 1.275 will get cancelled. That remaining is 10 to the power 7 divided by 10 to the power minus 5. That gives it's in the formula of a to the power m divided by a to the power n. That gives a to the power m minus n. So based on that formula, I can write it as 10 to the power 7 minus of minus 5. That gives 10 to the power 12.